Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download MarketMuse and automate content planning, complete guide step by step clearly. To download MarketMuse, start by opening your preferred web browser. Type MarketMuse into the search bar and hit enter. Click on the official MarketMuse website link from the search results. Once on the home page, look for the Get Started or Sign Up button. Click on that button to begin the registration process. You will be directed to a registration form. Fill out the required fields, including your name, email address, and password. After completing the form, check your email for a confirmation link. Open your email and click on the confirmation link to verify your account. Return to the MarketMuse website and log in with your newly created credentials. Now that you're logged in, explore the dashboard for available features. To automate content planning, navigate to the Content Planning section. Here, you will find tools designed to analyze and optimize your content strategy. Input your topics or keywords into the content planner. MarketMuse will generate a list of content ideas based on these inputs. Review the suggestions and select those that align with your goals. You can also access the competitive analysis tools for deeper insights. Analyze how your competitors are performing in the same topics. Use this data to refine your content strategy further. Once you finalize your content plan, set deadlines for each piece. MarketMuse offers tools for tracking progress and making adjustments. Utilize these features to stay organized and on schedule. Regularly revisit the content planner to refine and update your strategy. Ensure you keep abreast of the latest trends and insights in your niche. With consistent use, MarketMuse will help streamline your content planning process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.